Hey guys, actually today we're gonna be doing something here. It is so big, like so cool.
What is that?
The Swiss chocolates, an exclusive collection of milk, dark and white chocolate. Look here, those are the chocolates that we're gonna eat today. All of those chocolates.
Great.
Let's open it up. So somebody took the wrapper off of it. But we need to take this off. Look, it's even smaller. So anyway,
Oops.
wow. Let's just pick up these chocolates and then put them back. Let's put them back.
3, so we get to eat.
Yes.
Get to taste everything.
3 and 1.
Yeah. 3
Let
for
me
each.
test
Oh,
one of
yan Gwen, no. You have to give some to Gwen, ah. Go, Gwen. Let's test one for each one of us. Okay.
I really like this one.
Is it good?
That tastes like chocolate. This tastes like coffee.
Coffee? How'd you know? You drink coffee?
Never.
Never.
This is not standing up. I don't know why. Ooh, what's in here? Oh, I get it. This is what's inside. It's just a simple square chocolate. Hey Gwen, you might not like this because it's a bit weird taste. So I'm gonna be the one to get this. What's that? Can you help? A ball. Well, we're gonna skip that for now, okay? What this one? Why don't I like it? I like vanilla. Which one do you like? What's this on top?
I think it's mint. I'm just guessing.
Pistachio. I like this one.
Okay.
I don't have to eat that thing on top.
So how does it taste? Is it mint?
I don't know. I think there's a chocolate.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. I thought we're gonna eat pa. You've had enough?
Yep, enough.
Can I have one more? Just one more.
No worries. You can have one more.
So which one do you recommend? This one?
I always. So far, I don't know what this one is.
Does it taste weird?
Nah, it doesn't. It's,
Oops. I'll eat that na lang.
Yep. You're allowed to eat that. You're allowed to eat the leaf, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hello.
Are you allowed to eat the leaf?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yeah, that's not a leaf.
Are you allowed to eat that thing on top?
Mhm.
I love Anyways, it's already enough.
What's that? Okay.
So we're gonna cover this box now.
It's more like this is a, it's more like
Okay, we had enough.
it's more like this is a biscuit.
So, bye guys.
Nice.
Bye.